This is the official pearOS website. This is an Arch-based Linux distro with Plasma Wayland desktop environment that's been tweaked to make it look like macOS. These are the virtual machine specs. This is what the main desktop looks like. It's nearly identical to macOS. Desktop and overall UI layout, icons, and even the names of certain software are similar to the ones on macOS. Install setup is simplified and automated. All you have to do is click on Install, then select a drive. That's it. You can also set up disk partitions using gparted on the first install screen. Install process will take some time. I'll skip to when it's done. When it's done installing, it'll reboot automatically after some time. Or you can reboot manually if it didn't. This is the first screen that will show up when booting up for the first time. You can then select your preferences and set up a user profile/account. This user setup window is also very similar to macOS. It uses around 1.9 gigabytes of RAM. And around 11.5 gigabytes of disk space. It also comes with PearFinder, a second file explorer alongside GwenView. These are the pre-installed apps and tools that come with pearOS. Here's pearOS system info. It comes with Safari, which is a custom web browser. Discover can be used to download and install more programs. There's also a second software store called Software. Here's an overview of the top bar and its features. This is the Settings menu, or System Settings. That's it for pearOS, a Linux distro with the same looks and feel as macOS.